Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bonbon puppet. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need approximately 20 to 30 colorful bonbon wrappers, a piece of string about 12 inches long, and a small bead for the head. Also, have scissors, a needle, and a tiny bit of glue ready. Selecting vibrant wrappers will make your finished puppet truly stand out and look fantastic. Let's get started on this fun craft project right away. Now, let's prepare your bonbon wrappers. Take about 20 to 30 wrappers and carefully flatten each one. This step is crucial for a neat puppet. Next, fold each flattened wrapper in half lengthwise and then fold it in half again. This process creates a narrow, uniform strip from each wrapper. These strips will form the main body of your charming bonbon puppet, giving it structure and shape. Consistency here is key for a great result. With your wrappers prepared, it's time to assemble the puppet's body. Thread your needle with the 12-inch piece of string. Carefully pierce the center of each folded wrapper, one by one, stringing them onto the thread. Arrange these wrappers closely together to form a compact, cylindrical body shape. Once all wrappers are on, secure both ends of the string with a firm knot. This holds the body together, creating a sturdy foundation for your puppet. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your bonbon puppet. Take your small bead and attach it to one end of the string, above the wrapper body, to create the puppet's head. For arms and legs, use additional, shorter pieces of string and smaller sections of folded wrappers. Secure all these parts firmly with small knots or a tiny dab of glue. Your unique, handcrafted bonbon puppet is now complete and ready for many hours of imaginative play and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.